Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock Uber. We are going to see whether the stock is offering any entry point at the price level of 33. It is added to the tracker a couple of times, but it didn't break through. It got failed. So let's see whether it's offering a entry point at this price level as of today or not. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance, and please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days and weeks. I believe Uber is offering an entry point at this price level of 33.66. So it's added to the tracker today. So the entry point would be 33.66. That is the minimum entry price, and the maximum entry price is going to be 35.34. So that is your zone, and the stop loss is around $30.97. So when you post losses below $30.97, it will be get closed. And this stock is now added to the tracker a couple of times, but it didn't gain any traction. So let's see how things behave this time. So let's look at this chart before we come to the profit loss projection. So if you look at this chart, it is one of the failed IPOs. It started here, it's tried to break out, but it didn't went down, and it came back, but it never priced above its IPO level. So it is like finally found support at the 10-week moving average right here, but it didn't gain any traction for last few times. So it looks like it is also having now 50-week moving average, which is now started to pain now. So it looks like it found support at that line last week and this week, and it regained that 10-week moving average line again. So hopefully it can rally from this point onwards. So this is a key line. So I use the weekly chart because it reduces a lot of daily noise. So I use the weekly chart for short-term to long-term trading. And the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average. So it found support at the short-term 10-week moving average, and it's also found support at the long-term 50-week moving average. So hopefully the stock can rally from this point onwards. Again, it's added to the tracker a few times during this time, but it got failed. So whenever it hits a stop loss, just close the position and wait for the stock to offer another entry point, or you can park your money in some other stocks which are going up. So let's look at its profit loss projection real quick. And if it posts losses like $30.97, it will be close to any time. It should price $35.34 by August 10th, and it should post almost 20% gain by October 12th. So that's your high level projection. So let's look at a couple of calls for this stock. So you can look at some December calls between like $40 to $43. So you can take a look at them and see now whether anything's worth buying or not. So let's look at its calculator, because I don't think so there is anything for October. So you're looking at the December call, so which will give you enough room for the stocks to rally to a certain point. So you can look at December call. So let's look at its option projector real quick. So here is the December 40 call, and you can look at its risk price is 246, and at the time of expiry you are looking at the stock to at least price 40 to 46, which is reasonable. So you guys now dig into the table and do your calculation, but this is a high level projection, so for you guys to take a look. So that's all guys. I believe Uber is offering an entry point at this price level. Hopefully this attempt will succeed. Let's hope. Let's see how things play us out in coming days and weeks. I will put the tracker link in the description section, so you can follow it up every day, day in, day out. And please check out all our website. All the information is recorded there. And please check out all our social media sites. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And I will be seeing you guys in another video relatively very shortly. And have a great night.